50-30-20 rule about budgeting your income. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to manage your money better. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the 50-30-20 rule, which is a simple and effective way to budget your income and expenses. The 50-30-20 rule was popularized by Elizabeth Warren, a U.S. Senator and former presidential candidate, in her book All You're Worth, The Ultimate Lifetime Money Plan. The idea is that you divide your after-tax income into three categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Needs are the essential expenses that you have to pay every month, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation, and so on. Wants are the discretionary expenses that you spend on things that make you happy, such as eating out, shopping, entertainment, hobbies, and so on. Savings and debt repayment are the money that you put aside for your future goals, such as retirement, emergency fund, education, or paying off credit cards, loans, or other debts. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple way to keep track of your spending and saving habits. It helps you to prioritize your needs over your wants, and to save more for your future. It also gives you some flexibility to enjoy your life without feeling guilty or stressed about money. To apply the 50-30-20 rule, you need to know how much money you make after taxes every month. Then, you need to calculate how much money you spend on each category every month. You can use a spreadsheet, an app, or a website to track your income and expenses. Once you have the numbers, you can compare them with the 50-30-20 rule and see if you need to make any adjustments. For example, let's say you make $4,000 after taxes every month. According to the 50-30-20 rule, you should spend no more than $2,000 on your needs, no more than $1,200 on your wants, and at least $800 on your savings and debt repayment. If you find out that you are spending more than $2,000 on your needs, you might want to look for ways to reduce your fixed expenses, such as moving to a cheaper place, switching to a cheaper phone plan, or cutting down on subscriptions. If you find out that you are spending more than $1,200 on your wants, you might want to limit your impulse purchases, use coupons or discounts, or find free or low-cost alternatives for your entertainment. If you find out that you are saving less than $800 every month, you might want to increase your income by getting a side hustle, asking for a raise, or selling some stuff that you don't need. The 50-30-20 rule is not a one-size-fits-all solution. You can adjust it according to your personal situation and preferences. For example, if you live in a high-cost area, you might need to spend more than 50% of your income on your needs. If you have a lot of debt or a low income, you might need to save more than 20% of your income. If you have a high income or a low debt level, you might be able to spend more than 30% of your income on your wants. The key is to find a balance that works for you and helps you achieve your financial goals. The 50-30-20 rule is a guideline that can help you get started and stay on track with your budgeting. It can also help you develop a healthy relationship with money and enjoy your life without sacrificing your future. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if you use the 50-30-20 rule or any other budgeting method. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.